Now today I want to solve the problems of linear programming of exercise 12.1 of NCERT. Question number 1. Maximize z is equal to 3x plus 4y. Subject to the constraints are x plus y less than equal to 4, x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0. How will you solve the problem? Given inequation and equations. Inequations and equation. First, maximize z is equal to 3x plus 4y. Now, x plus y less than equal to 4, x greater than equal to 0, y greater than 0. We have to maximize z here. Z is objective function. Now I want to here make a table to draw the graph of equation number 2. Graph of x plus y is equal to 4 we will draw. Now if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. So my dear student, here we draw the graph of equation 2. This is the graph of equation 2. X plus y less than equal to 4. The feasible region lies in the first quadrant. Feasible region is O, A, B, O. The corner points of feasible region are O 0, 0, A 4, 0 and B 0, 4. The values of Z at these points are as follows. Corner point 0, 0, 0, value is 0. At A, value is 12 and at B, value is 16. So this is maximum value. Thus maximum value of Z is 16 at the point B 0, 4. Now minimize Z is equal to minus 3x plus 4y. Subject to constants are x plus 2y less than equal to 8, 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12, x greater than 0 and y greater than 0. My dear student, now you write equation and inequations. Z is equal to minus 3x plus 4y is here objective function. This you have to find minimum value. X plus 2y less than equal to 8, 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12 and x greater than 0 and y greater than 0. Now my dear students, I want to draw the graph of x plus 2y is equal to 8. So we put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4, x is equal to 8, so y is equal to 0. So in this way, by putting 0, 0 in the inequality, we have 0, 0 less than equal to 8, which is true. So origin lies in the half plane. It means now 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Now we again make the table x 0, y 6, x 4, y 0. By putting 0, 0 in the equation, 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12, we have 0 which is less than equal to 12. So in both the equation, origin will lie. Now from solving equation x plus 2y is equal to 8 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 12, we have x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. This is point B. So now this is the feasible region O, A, B, C, O. O, A, B, C, O. And now z is equal to minus 3x plus 4y is objective function. So corner 0, 0 and objective function is minus 3x plus 4y. Its value at 0, 0 is 0. At 4, 0, 12 minus 12 and at 2 3 6 and at 0 4 16. Therefore the minimum value of z is minus 12 at the corner point 4 0. In this way we can solve this problem. Now my dear student, we want to solve problem number 4 of NCERT. Minimize z is equal to 3x plus 5y. This is objective function. Subject to constants are x plus 3y greater than equal to 3 and x plus y greater than equal to 2 and xy greater than 0. Now given in equation and equation, z is equal to 3x plus 5y, x plus 3y greater than equal to 3, x plus y greater than equal to 2 and x greater than 0, y greater than 0. Now my dear student, I want to draw the graph of this equation. First we draw the graph of the lines x plus 3y is equal to 3, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0. So in this way, what do we observe? We observe that putting 0, 0 in the inequality, we have 0 greater than equal to 3, which is false. So origin is not lie in this half plane. So half plane is away from the origin. Since xy greater than 0, so the feasible region lies in the first quadrant. Secondly, we draw the graph of x plus y is equal to 2. X is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. So by putting 0, 0 in the inequality x plus y greater than equal to 2, we have 0 greater than equal to 2, which is false. So therefore half plane is away from the origin. Obviously feasible region is unbounded. Feasible region is unbounded. My dear student, this type of question is very, very important for the purpose of examination. So solving x plus y is equal to 2 and x plus 3y is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 2 and y is equal to half. So B is the point of intersection of the line x plus y is equal to 2 and x plus 3y is equal to 3. So now the corner point of the feasible region are 0, 0, A 3, 0, B 3 by 2 and half and C 0, 2 and C 0, 2. Try to understand. This is A, this is B and this is C. So my dear student, so corner point is 0, 0. 0, 0 corner point at A is 3, 0. This is A and value is 9. B 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 7. And at C 0, 2. At C 0, 2. And the value will be 10. So my dear students, here first we, so as the feasible region is unbounded, therefore 7 may or may not be the minimum value of z. My dear student, here if we put the coordinate of corner point, we get minimum value 7. लेकिन 7 मिनिमम वैल्यू होगा कि नहीं होगा, ये अनबाउंडेड रीजन में आपको चेक करना है. कैसे चेक करोगे? फॉर दिस वी ड्रॉ द ग्राफ ऑफ द इनइक्वालिटी 3x प्लस 5y लेस देन 7. ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन इज व्हाट? 3x प्लस 5y. और इसका वैल्यू क्या होना चाहिए? मिनिमम होना चाहिए. किससे मिनिमम होना चाहिए? लेस देन 7. ये पॉइंट हम लोग निकाले. नाउ वी ड्रॉ द ग्राफ ऑफ 3x plus 5y is equal to 7. And what do you observe? There is no point common in 3x plus 5y less than 7 and the feasible region. यदि कॉमन होता तो मिनिमम वैल्यू नहीं होता. यह बात ध्यान रखो कि फिजिबल रीजन और ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन का जो सॉल्यूशन मिला उसमें यदि कॉमन होगा तो मिनिमम वैल्यू या मैक्सिमम वैल्यू नहीं होगा। यदि कॉमन नहीं होगा तो ये 3x + 5y <= 7, कोई कॉमन नहीं है, ये इधर आएगा ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन। सो देयर इज नो कॉमन, सो वी हैव द मिनिमम वैल्यू at the point 3/2.5, that is 7. This step is very very important for the purpose of examination. So my dear student, in case of unbounded region we have to decide whether it will be maximum or minimum. In next video I will solve also some problems involving unbounded region. Now I hope you must do this problem by watching the video of NCERT and other book also. Thank you. Thank you very much.